Nagajinyo kubor bagidang don kitrok kidjur jiginong rap kajala bakim yo ayat kasor karjala ne kasantarik unailar ahaja arpo kalarai bakan batha ya baro ki district administration bakin page bakini kitrok kidjur jiginong rap kide ban yo ayat namar kini ki hab lang haki essential category nane ki mar ki bidan kam jong kajala.
The trucks carrying or collecting vegetables from the farmers are still being detained or blocked by a group of people. So I would like to remind this evening, again the government has noted down this issue very seriously, and therefore today we decided again to send a reminder to all the district administration to make sure that those trucks loading the vegetables produces from the farming places and transporting outside the state is again allowed. It is again allowed, and all concerned should not disturb or detain such carrying trucks.